Hello everybody, my name is Eddie with Uniform Bright. Today we're talking about Vestis overcharging on inventory maintenance charges or inventory towel maintenance charges. Now, this is a huge problem with any company, but with Vestis even more so. And the reason why is this, is because in my estimation, seeing that they haven't upgraded their trucks, seeing how that I see Aramark drivers that are old Aramark drivers, they're now Vestis, but they're still wearing Aramark uniforms. The trucks are still as Aramark. They haven't painted them to the new Vestis. And if you can't do that, I mean, like, where is the money? Where's the investment in the company? And so when I see the customers and their towel inventory maintenance charges are increasing and increasing by a lot, and when I say a lot, I mean this. They're increasing so much that in some cases, the inventory maintenance charges are even more than the actual charges for the towels. I mean, they're saying that people will be renting like 200 towels, and Vestis will be saying, yeah, you guys lost 50 towels, and we're going to charge you $1.50 each, or something like that. But it is ridiculous, and they're basically not wanting to remove those. So if you're having a problem getting those removed, and it's a lot of money, call me. I can fix that. I can make sure that they remove that off your invoice. If they anything on your invoice, we can. I actually help with that. But anyways, so that's what Vestis is doing. They're overcharging on the inventory maintenance charges with a lot of companies, and when they're not making revenue, when they can't make revenue, the first thing they're going to do is raise your prices, because they can do that with the contract. But anyways, go ahead and give me a call if you're having an issue. Send me a copy of your contract. If you're in Canada, I'm working in Canada now, send me a copy of your contract, a copy of your invoice, and then you can call me. That way I can look at everything, and I'll give you a free, no obligation phone call. But I'm here to help. Use me as a resource. There's nobody else that does what I do in all of North America, if you can believe that. So guys, wait till the next video, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.